Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to use stopwatch on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, yung you'll have to do is click the digital clock in your Samsung Galaxy A02 to proceed on stopwatch. And okay guys, below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the stopwatch. Okay, you'll have to do is click the stopwatch, and now here you can see the start button and the time on the top. And okay guys, so okay, if you click the start button, okay, the time will be start. And okay guys, to stop, okay, click the stop button, and to resume the time, okay, click the resume button. And okay guys, to set the lap, okay, click the lap button, and the first lap is show. And okay guys, click again the lap for the second lap and for the third lap. And okay guys, so okay guys, that's it for the lap. And okay guys, to reset this stopwatch, okay, click the stop button and click the reset button to reset the stopwatch. And okay guys, that's it for how to use the stopwatch on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.